Hi, it's Angeline here. Today I have a very fun crafty video with Unity stamp for you, and I'm going to show you how to make your own 3D glitter paper. So first up, I've already stamped and colored this cute snowman by Unity Stamp with some Copic markers. And next I'm grabbing some cardstock and some Glimmer mist. And I'm just going to spray it all over this cardstock, and here's how it looks like once it's dried. Check out how glittery and shimmery it is. So next, to make the 3D part, I'm just going to emboss it using this Next Level embossing folder by WRMK. And I'm running it through my Big Shot, and here it is. Just check out how 3D and really shiny the whole paper looks like. So next I'm just going to show you how I assembled my card. We're just going to adhere the 3D glitter paper onto some white cardstock, and then I'm just placing the snowman with some foam adhesive to the back to pop them up on my card, and just placing it on a slightly slanted position as though they are going up a hill. And then I'm going to be placing lots of blinks all over my card. Here's how my finished card looks like. I hope you enjoyed this technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!